Hello, my dear friends. In this short video, you will learn how to choose an emerald for your horoscope and how to wear it. An emerald is a green stone controlled by Mercury. The planet Mercury controls it. When sun rays falls on emerald, generally it transmits rays in 63,000 wavelength and allows it to go into your body. The rays of emerald, they go into your body through this finger or Surya Parva, what do you call it? The Parva of Surya. Then they enter into your solar plexus where the good deeds you have done in your past incarnations are stored. There it influences the good deeds you have done in your past incarnation and it brings you financial gains, it brings you prosperity, it brings you pleasure and all the more. Emerald has an hardness of 7.3 to 7.4 in Mohs scale and the specific gravity is around 2.69 to 2.80. The refractive index of emerald will be around 1.57 to 1.58 range. These are the physical properties of emerald. Before buying an emerald, be careful and choose only certified gems. Certified gems. Because if the gem is not tested in the laboratory and certified, there are possibilities that you may be duped by the seller. An onyx which resembles emerald is generally sold under the guise of emerald. Those who do not know the emerald, they purchase onyx only, which is a cheap stone, and it is not a suitable replacement for emerald. See, by wearing an emerald, you can reap very good benefits. Those who are in printing and publishing line, those who are involved in this information technology, those who are event managers, and those who are in life insurance business, those who do some commission agency, those who teach, preach, or those who are lecturers, all these people are very much benefited by wearing an emerald. Even the people who depend upon creative intelligence for their livelihood earnings, they can also wear an emerald. For example, filmmakers, movie makers, these directors, they get wonderful ideas by wearing an emerald. It influences their intellect. It actually promotes their intellect in such a way, so strange things or strange thinking will run through their brain, which makes them give good dramas or films and all. These filmmakers generally, if they go for an emerald, it will be all right. And the finance people who control finances, for them also emerald is needed. And this cost accounts auditors and CAs who deal with the company problems, law issues and all, they also need an emerald. So in all these things, wearing an emerald will enhance their fortune. Generally, who should wear an emerald? Now I will give you a brief description of that. An emerald shall not be worn by people who are born in Mesha Lagna. For Mesha Lagna, this Mercury or Buddha, being the lord of third and sixth house, is a functional malefic and a bad planet. So for Mesha Bharans, Vrishchika Bharans also, emerald is not advisable. Emerald will work very fine with those who are born either Vrishabha Lagna or Tula Lagna, and Makara Lagna and Kumbha Lagna. For them it is very good stone, for these four Lagnas, Vrishabha, Tula, Makara and Kumbha, because Shukra and Shani, they are the friends of Buddha or Mercury. So Mercury becomes a Yoga Karaka planet. That is why Makara, Kumbha and Vrishabha and Mithuna Lagna, Vrishabha and Tula Lagna Bharans are very much benefited by wearing an emerald. See, for Kanya and Mithuna Lagna also, Bharans, Kanya and Mithuna Lagna Bharans, the emerald helps them. For example, the Lagnadipati of Kanya and Mithuna Lagna being Buddha will help them, and he catapults them to higher escalated standards of life. They can also wear an emerald. So 6 Lagnas are covered here. Generally, emerald is bad for those who are born in Dhanur or Meena Lagnas. Why? Because for Dhanur and Meena Lagnas, Buddha becomes a Bhadakadipati. Bhadakadipati stone shall not be worn by anybody. That too, if Buddha is in his Neecha Rashi or in a debilitated sign like Meena, definitely this Dhanur Lagna Bharans and this Meena Lagna Bharans shall never wear an emerald. Bestows upon them bad luck. Bad luck. My dear listeners, please see and note this point. The gemstones have an ability to confer upon you good results also, and the gemstones can confer upon you, inflict harm on you also. Both are there. So before wearing, you have to show your horoscope to some learned astrologers who are experienced in selecting gems and take their advice. It is better. Don't depend upon your Rashi and purchase stone. For example, if you are a Mithuna Rashi Bharan and Kanya Rashi Bharan, don't go for an emerald, because in your horoscope, if the Mercury is deposited in a Trikasthana, a bad place, the same emerald can harm you. Beware of that. Please be careful while selecting the stones. Take the advice of a learned astrologer and then start wearing stone. Then emerald will help you to a large extent. Thank you.